art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Stitch as a Labubu doll. So first let's get started with the nose, and we're going to curve this around and then down on the right. Moving underneath in the center now, let's draw on a small curved line connecting that from left to right. Stepping beside, let's draw on the eyes. So we're going to bring this line up and then down on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, bringing this back up and then down on the left. Let's close this off on the bottom now, curving this around and then up on the right. And again on the left. Now on the right hand side, let's draw in a circle. And then in the top left hand corner, let's draw in another circle, making that slightly smaller. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out, up, and then back in. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this out, up, and then over on the side. Let's come down and draw in the mouth now. So in the center, we're going to curve this line down and across on the left. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this down and then over again. In the center for the teeth, let's draw in the letter V on the left and right hand side. Stepping across again, let's replicate that, making that slightly smaller. And then again, bringing this over and back in towards the top. Let's move down now and draw in our eyes. So on the left hand side here, drawing in a small curved line. We'll do the same on the right. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing this around and then up on both sides. Stepping inside of our eye now, let's draw in an oval. So from the side, curving this around and then down on the bottom. We'll do the same on the left. Now as we come over towards the inside, we're going to again curve this around and then through. Moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now as we move down on a diagonal, I'm going to draw in another circle, making that slightly smaller. Now in the center, let's draw in a sideways oval. Before we draw in the rest of the face, we're just going to draw in Scrump's hair coming up in the center. So coming below, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving directly below this, let's draw in a small circle. For the bow on both sides, let's draw in a curved line, bringing this around and then back in. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this out and then down. And then we'll do the same on the left. Before we draw in the rest of that, we're going to come up and draw in the head first. So coming behind for the mouth, let's curve this around and up on the left. And then we're going to bring this over and out on the right. Let's draw in the teeth now. So we're going to draw in those small triangles, curving those at the bottom as we come in towards the center. And then as we step over on the right, we're just going to replicate that, bringing that all the way up on the side. Now let's close off the inside of our head. So as you move in towards the middle, we're going to bring this line around and then through on both sides. Starting on the top now in the center, we're going to come over towards the left, curving this around and then down, leaving a gap in the middle, coming over on the right and just replicating that. And we're going to end this at roughly the same height. Now let's move back in on the bottom, and we're just going to curve this around and in towards the middle. Now on the right hand side, let's arch this up and down. And then from the corner, we're going to bring this over and in. And then again, one more time, bringing this down on the left. Let's draw in the ears on the right hand side now. So we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same on the left. Now from here, we're just going to curve this around, back in on the side. On the top now, let's curve this line out, in, and then back up. And then on the bottom, again, just curving this line over and across. Let's draw on the Labubu ears behind now. So on both sides, we're gonna bring this line up and then down. And we're just gonna end that at roughly the same height. Now again, we're gonna curve this around and then in. And then again, from that corner, bringing this line down. Stepping over on the inside, we're gonna bring this up and down on the side. And then in the middle, just drawing a small arch line. Now let's move down and draw in the arms. So on the left-hand side, bringing this around and then in. We'll do the same on the right. Now for the claws, we're going to draw in 3 triangles as we come down on the bottom. And then on both sides, just curving this up towards the top. Let's draw on the feet directly underneath now. So stepping over slightly, we're going to draw in a nice big circle on the right side. And then we're going to do the same on the left. As we step in towards the middle, let's draw in another circle. And now again, let's draw in the claws. So we're going to draw in 3 triangles as we come down. Now let's draw in Scrump's head. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this down. We're going to close this off on the bottom, bringing this line from left to right. Let's draw in a circle for the eye on the left. And then again, moving over on the right. For the mouth, curving this line up, down, and then back across. And then we're just going to draw in 4 diagonal lines as we come over. Now inside of our left eye, we're going to draw in a cross. So we're going to bring this down and in all 4 corners, in towards the center. And then on the right eye, we're going to draw in 4 circles. So 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom, side by side. Now moving in for the neck, we're going to bring this around and in. Let's come down, drawing in a diagonal oval for the left foot. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now for the body, bringing this line back in. And then closing this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now in the center, let's draw in an arch line. So we're going to curve this around and then down for the button. And then closing this off on the bottom with another curved line. Now in the center, let's draw in another X. And then for the arms, bringing this around and then down. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.